Hello students, today we are going to solve question number 3, which is a solved problem on page number 193 of your textbook on death of partner, right? So first I am going to read the problem. Anita, Sunita and Kavita were partners in a business sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:2:1 respectively. The balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 is as under. So a balance sheet is given to you. On 1st July 2019, Kavita died and the following adjustments were made. So Kavita third partner is died on 1st July, right? And our financial year starts from April. So April, May, June. On 1st July she is died. So the calculations which are related to the death of the partner will be for 3 months, right? Now first we will put the tick mark on the adjustments. See, all the datas are considered as goods. All the datas are considered good means RDD is cancelled. So we will put a tick mark on datas. Next, a contingent liability for a compensation of 900 was provided. So it's a payment for liability and contingent liability, so it will not be here, right? So we don't have to take anything. Investments were sold in the market at 10% profit. So investments are here in assets. I put in a tick mark. Loan were paid off. So put a tick mark on loan. Land and building were depreciated by 800 and furniture by 1100. Put in a tick mark on furniture. And here it is misprinted. This is not planned. This must be land. This is misprinted. It should be land and building. So I put in a tick mark on land and building. Next, goodwill of the firm was valued at 15,000. It was to be raised in the books. So now see, goodwill is here. It already appears in the balance sheet. That is what 10,000, and here it is 15,000, right? So already in the books of firm goodwill is there, and the difference between them, goodwill is increasing. पहले 10,000 ही था, अभी 15,000 हो रहा है, तो 5,000 से goodwill increase हो रहा है. So in death what we will do in such case, that we will see while doing the adjustment. So we will put a tick mark on goodwill also. Then next is Kavita was entitled to get share in the profit up to the date of her death. Profit for 2019-20 was estimated at rupees 10,000. So this profit is as estimated one, right? So whenever such types of adjustment are there related to that which are estimated, it will go in profit and loss suspense account, right? Then the next is amount due to Kavita's executor was paid by NEFT. So always remember, whenever any partner is dead, means whatever balance comes in his capital account or her capital account, that will be transferred to his or her executor account. what जो अभी उसका जो भी हैंडल करेगा, ये जो भी पैसे वगैरह का काम है जो भी एग्जीक्यूट करेगा, it will be transferred to that executor account. Now it has been said in this problem that it was being paid by NEFT. So NEFT से पे किया, यानी क्या किया है हमने, पेमेंट कर दिया है by bank. Okay, and they have asked you to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, balance sheet of the new firm, right? So first we will do the posting. While doing the posting, we will prepare bank and goodwill account. Like admission, bank and goodwill account, we will prepare a separate account. Others all assets and liabilities we will post. So I have prepared the bank account and goodwill account. If they are assets, so there are debit opening balances in rough work, and we have prepared the revaluation account, partners capital account, opening balances are here, and balance sheet. We have posted all the assets and liabilities. The item which are having the adjustment, they are in the inner column and others are in the outer column. For datas, we have directly written in the outer column. Now see the first adjustment. All datas are considered as good. Datas in the inner column is 20,800 less RDD 800 and outer column 20,000. So when RDD is cancelled, right, all datas are good means RDD is cancelled. So our debtors amount will become 20,800. So in balance sheet directly in the outer column I will write debtors 20,800, and when RDD is cancelled, it's my profit. So second effect will come here by RDD account cancelled 800 outer column. Okay. Now see the second adjustment. A contingent liability for a compensation of 900 was provided. So contingent liability is a liability which may or may not arise. It will come in the, this is our loss, right? So it will come in the revaluation account debit side to contingent liability, and it will be 900 liability. So it will be written in my balance sheet liability side, contingent liability 900. Okay. Now see the third adjustment. Investments were sold out in the market at 10% profit. So investments, see for that in my working notes, the investments see the amount of investments is 30,000, right? So 30,000 were the investment, and this investments were sold at a profit of 10%. So 10% profit means what? 3,000. So we have sold it for 33,000. So this is what profit. Profit means it will come in my revaluation account credit side by investments 3,000. And for second effect we have sold the investment. So here I will write less sold 30,000 outer column nil. See, it has been sold for profit at 3,000, right? In bank account debit side I will write to investments account 33,000. Okay. Now see the next adjustment. Loan were paid off. So now my bank loan was 8,000. It is paid off. So the entry for this loan will be bank loan account debit 8,000 to bank account, right? 8,000. So in my bank account I will write by bank loan account 8,000, right? We have paid it, and in my balance sheet I will show in the liabilities as less repaid. We have paid it 8,000 outer column nil. Now see the next adjustment. Land and building were depreciated by 800 and furniture by 1100. So land and building is depreciated by 800. So in my balance sheet less depreciation 800. So outer column it will be 55,000. And the next is furniture by 1100. And in furniture less depreciation 1100. So it will come as, in outer column it will be 14,900. Now it's depreciation, so it will come in revaluation account debit side to land and building 800 to furniture account 1100. Okay. Now see the next adjustment. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 15,000. It was to be raised in the books. Now what is the entry for raising of goodwill? See, for raising of goodwill the entry is goodwill account debit in admission we used to take old partners, but here this is death, this is all three partners. So to all partners capital or current account, but here there is no current account, so we are going to take capital account. In death, when already the goodwill is appearing balance sheet, it is 10,000, and in adjustment it has told that it should be 15,000, means in your balance sheet you want it to show as 15,000. 10,000 पहले से है, 15,000 आपको दिखाना है. So what is the difference? 5,000. So you are going to raise the goodwill. So you are going to raise the goodwill only of rupees 5,000. Now this 5,000 goodwill will be raised in which ratio? 2:2:1, right? So 2:2:1, that is what? 5. So it will become 1,000. So for Anita, it will become 1,000. So for Anita, Sunita and Kavita, Anita it will be 1,000 into 2, that is what? 2,000. Same for Sunita, 1,000 into 2, 2,000, and for Kavita it will be 1,000. So 2,000, 2,000 and 1,000, right? So this will be the amounts for goodwill. So see the entry, goodwill account debit. So there I have prepared a goodwill account. So here I will write to all partners capital account. So to all partners capital account means what? To Anita's capital account 2,000, to Sunita's capital account 2,000, and to Kavita's capital account 1,000, right? So 10,000 plus 5,000, it will become 15,000. Now this will be posted by balance carried down 15,000. Now this balance will be posted to your asset side. So in my assets I will write goodwill directly in the outer column 15,000. Okay. So in death, whenever in the balance sheet already goodwill amount is given, and in the adjustment they have told you to raise off, that is, see, goodwill was 10,000, now you have to increase it to the 15,000. So 5,000 is increasing, right? So you are going to pass entry only for 5,000 amount. So first effect of this entry we have given in the goodwill account debit side, right? And now in the partners capital account credit side we will write by goodwill 2,000, 2,000, 1,000. Now see the next adjustment, that is Kavita was entitled to get her share in the profit up to the date of her death. Profit for 1920 was estimated at rupees 10,000. Because Kavita is entitled for 3 months profit only, so we will have to calculate the 3 months amount for Kavita, right? So how to do that? The estimated profit is 10,000, right? Estimated profit is 10,000, and this is for 12 months, right? So Kavita's share for 3 months, how we will calculate? This 10,000 is for 12 months. Out of this she will been working only for the 3 months, and from this her share was, see, her profit sharing ratio was 2:2:1, that is what? Profit sharing ratio was 2:2:1. So Kavita's share was 1/5. So when I calculated this, 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20, 2 zeros, right? 5 ones are 5 fives are 25, and 100. That is what? 500 rupees is the Kavita share for 3 months. Now the entry for this will be प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस सस्पेंस अकाउंट. सो ये प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में जो भी हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर प्रॉफिट, that will be done at the end of the financial year. But for now being, we have to pay to Kavita. So this will be transferred to profit and loss suspense account, debit side to Kavita's capital account, right? So we will be opening one profit and loss suspense account. So this is my profit and loss suspense account. So in debit side, I will write to Kavita's capital account 500, right? So now when I close this account, so here there will be a balance, by balance carried down rupees 500. Now this balance carried down means ये इस तरफ आया है, right? तो यहाँ पे आएगा brought down balance, right? सो ब्रॉट डाउन बैलेंस है, मतलब ये कौन सा बैलेंस है, डेबिट बैलेंस है, इसलिए इसको हम ट्रांसफ़र कर देंगे बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड, राइट. सो दैट्स व्हाई वन इफेक्ट विल बी इन बैलेंस शीट. वी विल प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस सस्पेंस account, and that is what 500. This is the balance which is showing here, right? It will come in Kavita's capital account credit side by profit and loss suspense account, and in the column of Kavita, that is how much, 500. Last they have told that the amount due to Kavita's executor was paid by NEFT. Now who is this executor? See, in death sometimes अभी कविता तो मर चुकी है, तो उसका अकाउंट में जो भी बैलेंस आएगा उसके कैपिटल अकाउंट में, ये जो भी बैलेंस है वो पे करना है बाय नेफ्ट, उन्होंने कहा है. हर प्रॉब्लम में ऐसा नहीं होता है. देयर आर सम लीगल प्रोसीजर्स so as to pay this amount. So for that purpose, in death, first we calculate the amount and we transfer it to the executor account or legal heir account. So executor is a person who is going to execute his account after her death, right? कभी कभी legal heir बोलते हैं, तो legal heir में maybe her husband और her children, जो भी नॉमिनी होंगे उनको दिया जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे बोला है कि it has been paid by NEFT to Kavita's executor has been paid by NEFT. NEFT यानी बैंक से पेमेंट कर दी है. So this will be done while closing the partner's capital account. So as we have done with all the adjustment, first we will close the revaluation account. So when I total the credit side is higher, that is 3,800 minus 2,800, that is the total of debit side. So 1,000 is the difference amount. It is coming here in this side, so that means it's nothing but profit. So here I will write to partners capital account profit, right? And this will be transferred to the partners capital account. So that is what Anita, Sunita and Kavita. Now 1,000 has to be transferred into 2:2:1, that is by 5. So it will be 200. So अनीता के इसमें आ जाएगा 200 into 2, that is 400. सुनीता के इसमें भी आ जाएगा 400 and कविता के कॉलम में आ जाएगा 200. So we will write the bifurcation in the inner column 400, 400 and 200. Now here it is in the debit side, so it will be transferred to partners capital account in credit side by revaluation account in bracket profit 400, 400 and 200. Now we will close the partners capital account. So in death, while closing the partners capital account, first we will close the Kavita's column as she is died, right? It is 20,000 plus 1,000, 21,000, 21,700, right? So 21,700. Here there is no balance, so here it will be 21,700. Here we will write, हम usually क्या लिखते हैं, to balance carried down, but यहाँ हम क्या लिखेंगे, to Kavita's executor account. Here we are going to write this name. Usually in other problems they say that it has been transfer the balance of died partner, deceased partner to executor account, but here they have told that it will be paid. For now being first partner capital में हम सिर्फ ट्रांसफ़र ही करेंगे, फिर इसको जो पे करना है उसकी हम अलग से एंट्री करेंगे. So Kavita's account has been closed. Now comes Sunita. For Sunita it is 42,400. Same for Anita is 42,400, right? So there is nothing to be deducted. So 42,400, 42,400. This is nothing but to balance carried down. Now this balance carried down will be transferred to balance sheet liabilities, capital account, Anita, Sunita. 42,400, 42,400. So outer column it will be 84,800. Now they have told that executor has been paid. So while we are paying to executor, the entry will be Kavita's executor account debit to bank account, right? तो अगर मैं कविता का एग्जीक्यूटर अकाउंट बनाती हूँ तो see here the entry was Kavita's capital account debit to Kavita's executor account. तो यहाँ पे था by Kavita's capital account and the amount was 21,700. Now they have told that you have to pay by NEFT. तो पैसा जा रहा है, so it will be to bank account. So to bank account 21,700. Your account will be closed. There is no balance now, right? But you have to do the posting of this bank account. This is ये exam में नहीं बनाना है. This is for your understanding, right? So Kavita's executor account debit to bank account. So in bank account, here it is in the debit side. So in bank account it will come in the credit side by Kavita's executor's account, and the amount is 21,700. Right? Now we will close the बैंक अकाउंट एज ए एसेट और इसका बैलेंस हमें कहाँ ट्रांसफ़र करना है, बैलेंस शीट में, राइट. सो हियर वी कैन सी दैट दिस विल बी 200, 18, 3, 11, 41,200 is the debit side total. So from this will be 29, 41,200 minus 21 plus 8, 29,700. So when I will deduct it, will become 40. So the balance will be 11,500. So here by balance carried down 11,500. This is the balance of bank account. As it's an asset, we will transfer this balance in balance sheet bank 11,500. Now we can tally the balance sheet, and when we tally the balance sheet, our amount is 1,17,700 on both the sides. Okay, so here we have completed with the problem. So in this problem we have learned that whenever a partner is dead, all the calculations which are relating to the deceased partner will be done for the time period that partner has worked in the firm. Here like Kavita has worked only for 3 months, so उसका जो भी हमने profit calculate किया वो 3 months के लिए होगा, and this will go to the profit and loss suspense account and it will be seen in the balance sheet asset side. Okay, so in this way, and moreover in this problem Kavita executor was paid, so you have to do this entry, Kavita executor account debit to bank account. And here we have completed with the problem. Thank you.